Kia ora, I'm Murray Ning. Now, in Christchurch, there are a host of domestic flights this morning. Best to check with the airport website and your own line if you're flying. The early international flights have mostly got away on time or a tad behind schedule. Now, KiwiRail has decided to close all Wellington train lines due to the red wind warning. Therefore, all Metlink services have been cancelled between 8 a.m. and 6 p.m. today. People were urged to avoid any non-travel today. All Wider Upper Line services are cancelled and there will be no buses replacing trains on this line. Train services on the Kapiti, Hutt Valley, Melling and Johnsonville line, which terminate at Wellington Station before 8 a.m. will operate. Kapiti and Hutt Valley lines will have limited buses replacing trains running hourly services. The Metlink and Johnsonville line will not have any buses replacing trains. Services are planned to resume just after 6 p.m. Meanwhile, bus and ferry, all East by West ferry services are cancelled for the day. All 200 bus routes in Wairarapa are cancelled for the day. Other Metlink bus services will continue to operate while it's safe to do so. A red severe wind warning is in place for the capital starting at 7 a.m. 9 minutes ago. Now, I want to read out that severe two warnings for Wellington. Strong wind warning red. Period 12 hours from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. Thursday, October 23. Area Wellington, Wairarapa and south of Carterton. Forecast severe gales, northwesterlies with damaging gusts of 140 kilometers per hour and exposed craters. Threat to life, flying items and falling trees. Disrupted winds will cause widespread damage including power lines and roofs with dangerous driving conditions and significant disruption to transport and power supply. Stay indoors or seek sturdy shelters away from trees. Avoid travel. Be ready for power and communication outages.